Hello and welcome to the video of Introduction to Cloud Computing. My name is Kashif Javed and I am AWS Certified Solution Architect and Certified Developer. In this video, we will talk about cloud computing. Let's deep dive into the topic we're gonna discuss here. We will talk about what is cloud computing and different types of cloud computing available at the moment, like deployment model and service model, benefits of cloud computing, uses of cloud computing, and talk about dominant cloud providers available right the moment. Let's understand what is cloud computing and types of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a term broadly used to define the on-demand delivery of IT resources and applications via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. It enables you to stop thinking of your infrastructure, instead think of it and use it as software. Cloud computing can categorize into two parts. First is deployment model and second is service model. Let's talk about deployment model. A cloud deployment model is defined according to where the infrastructure for the deployment resides and who has control over that infrastructure. Each cloud deployment model satisfies different organizational needs. So it is important that you choose a model that will satisfy the needs of your organization. The deployment model has three different types: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. What is public cloud? Public clouds are owned and operated by third party cloud service providers like Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, which deliver their computing resources like servers and storage over the internet. With the public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. You access these services and manage your account using a web browser. What is private cloud? Private cloud refer to cloud computing resources used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company on-site data center. Some companies also pay third-party service provider to host their private cloud. A private cloud is one in which the services and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. What is hybrid cloud? Hybrid clouds combine public and private clouds, bound together by technology that allows data and applications to be shared between them. By allowing data and applications to move between private and public clouds, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility, more deployment options, and helps optimize your existing infrastructure, security, and compliances. Next is cloud service model. A cloud service is any service made available to user on demand via the internet from a cloud computing provider servers as opposed to being provided from a company's own on-premises server. Cloud services are designed to provide easy, scalable access to application resources and services and are fully managed by a cloud services provider. Cloud computing is offered in three different services models which each satisfy a unique set of business requirements. These three models are known as software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Let's talk about what is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service contains the basic building blocks. With infrastructure as a service, you rent the IT infrastructure resources like server, virtual machines, storage, networking features, operating system from cloud provider on pay as you go basis. Infrastructure as a service gives you the highest level of flexibility and management control over your IT resources. What is platform as a service? Platform as a service refer to cloud computing services that supply an on-demand environment for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. Platform as a service is designed to make it easier for developers to quickly create web or mobile application without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of server, storage, network, and databases needed for development. What is software as a service? Software as a service is a method for delivering software applications over the internet on demand and typically on a subscription basis. With SaaS cloud providers host and manage the software applications underlying infrastructure and handle any maintenance like software upgrades and security patching. You don't have to think about how the service is maintained or how the underlying infrastructure is managed. You only need to think about how you will use that particular software. As next thing is benefits of cloud computing. There are so many benefits of using cloud computing. Let's discuss few of them. The first one is agility. The cloud gives you easy access to a broad range of technologies so that you can innovate faster and build nearly anything that you can imagine. You can quickly spin up resources as you need them from infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases to IoT, machine learning, data lakes, and analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment, test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences, and transform your business. Next is elasticity. With cloud computing, you don't have to over provision resources upfront to handle peak levels of business activity in the future. Instead, you provision the amount of resources that you actually use. You can scale these resources up or down to instantly to grow and shrink capacity as your business needs change. The next is cost saving. Cloud computing allow you to trade capital expenses such as data center and physical servers for variable expenses and only pay for IT as you consume it. Plus, the variable expenses are much lower than what you would pay to do it yourself because of the economics of scale. The other is deploy globally. With the cloud computing, you can expand to new geographic region and deploy globally in minutes. For example, AWS and Azure has infrastructure all over the world, so you can deploy your application in multiple physical locations with just a few clicks. Putting application in closer proximity to end user reduce latency and improves their experience. Next thing is uses of cloud computing. Organization of every type, size, and industry can use the cloud computing for a wide variety of use cases, such as create cloud native application, store, backup, and recover data, big data analytics, audio and video streaming, test and build application. As next thing is talk about different cloud service provider. There are a few of top names who are providing cloud services like Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, and Alibaba Cloud. Alright, so what we learned in this video? We learned about what is cloud computing, mean understanding of cloud computing, and its type of cloud computing available at the moment. Deployment model of cloud computing like private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Also discuss service model of cloud computing, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a services. Also discuss benefits of cloud computing, uses of cloud computing, and in last who are the providing cloud services. I really hope you enjoy this video. I'll meet you in the next video. For more information, please visit our website, theitcampus.com, and join our Facebook page where you can talk about their experiences, help grow each other by sharing solutions, and would like to hold hands off noises in putting them on a fast track on their learning path. Thank you.